You've got the qualifications, now it's time to turn them into a career. At Knowledge Merchandising, we don't just train you, we prepare you for success. Our unique program, designed by qualified accountants, gives you real-world insights into the accounting profession. You'll gain hands-on training in bookkeeping, payroll, VAT, final accounts, and company secretarial work, setting you apart from the rest. And that's just the beginning. You'll master popular accounting software such as Sage, QuickBooks, Excel, and VT software, keeping you ahead with cutting-edge skills. To boost your employability, we also provide work placement opportunities in collaboration with Milton & Crown Certified Accountants UK, alongside CV support, interview preparation, and job hunting guidance. Whether you prefer the flexibility of online learning or the engagement of classroom sessions, Knowledge Merchandising has the right path for you. Start building valuable experience and unlock exciting career opportunities today. Contact Knowledge Merchandising and take the first step towards your professional success.